Hey there guys, welcome to Matt's Art Box. I'm Matt and this is the first video for 2021, and in today's video we're going to do a new art style. And in today's art style we're going to be trying watercoloring for the first time for this channel. I just received a new set of watercolor brush pens. I've never used these before, so I thought I would try it out for this channel because that's what we're about. And for the picture today, I thought I would decide to draw Swampfire from Ben 10. I hope you enjoy, and let's start the show. Alright, first off, I thought I'd show you some of the supplies that I'd be using today. I'm going to be using these Art 101 watercolor brush pens. I got them in 3 different packs. I got the Jewel Tone, which comes with, let's see, 7 different colors and a clear water pen. Same thing with these ones. This is the pastel colors, 7 colors in the pen, and this is going to be the rainbow colors, a little bit brighter tones. And it's supposed to have a pen too, but I've already taken it out, and I've went ahead and put water in it. And then for the paper, I've got this sketchbook for watercolor from Cool Bank. I thought I'd give this a try. I got this also in another watercolor kit. So let's go ahead and start with the color swatches. Now I already took the time to go ahead and do them. Like you may have seen this sheet before. I've done this in my color swatching video. I'll drop a link in the comments below for you to check it out. I've already went through and marked them jewel, pastel, rainbow tones. And last night I decided I wanted to give them a try because I've never used them before. So I was kind of seeing how they kind of blended well with a darker orange here with some lighter blending. Then I tried it dry by itself, and then you can see this one's kind of bending up a little bit because this is just cheap copy paper, and I already put water on it just to try to see how it blended. But I wanted to try it on some actual watercolor paper, so I pulled out my mixed media book that I have from Canson, and this was my first attempt just to see how they kind of blended. I like how this turned out. And then I wanted to see what else I could do with it, so I tried some other ones. I tried it again, see how it reacted with ink. And then I decided to see how it would kind of react with the other colors. And I'm really liking how these have blended. You can't see any brush strokes, but let's go ahead and get Swampfire drawn and we'll continue. that's it for the first round of inking. I didn't want to put too many details into it yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put down the first base coat of watercolors, and then I'll go back in later and finish all the inking. So let's get started on the watercolor. Well, that's it for the drawing. The watercolor is finished, so make sure you stay to the end of the video to see what the final result is. I'm getting ready to lay down the final ink work. If you liked what you saw in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a comment down below for anything you'd like to see in the future on a video for the channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.